Hey guys, welcome back to another video on our YouTube channel. This is going to be another video in the CIRO3D lineup. If you guys have been on the YouTube channel before in the last month or so, we have done a couple of products from CIRO3D and was very impressed with them. We first started with the throttle servo cover on this side next to the air cleaner, and then of course the engine stabilizer bar cover up there, and I was very impressed with the products. They fit like a glove and they were made very well for the price. So we decided to go ahead and do a couple of chrome accents on the motor, and that's what we're doing today. In this video today, we're going to be covering the cylinder base cover, which is on the opposite side of the bike of the tappet cover that we've already done. This is going to add a very nice piece of chrome to the other side. Now, before I get into the install, guys, I want to say a big thank you to everybody that subscribed to the channel, and if you haven't, please take the time to like and subscribe now. My family and I appreciate the heck out of it. And after you subscribe, you'll see a little bell icon. If you click that, it'll let you know every time we have a new video online. One thing I want to touch on real quick, guys, is the instructions that come with CIRO3D products, guys. Very impressed. Pictures, words, the whole works. It's going to walk you through step by step on how to install their pieces. So without further ado, guys, let's get the camera down here and get this thing installed. Well, here's the cylinder base cover, guys, and this is CIRO part number 70100, and I'll put a link to this down in the description too, so you can click and go right to it. Now, as with the tappet block cover, it did come with another little black insert here, so it kind of breaks up the chrome a little bit if you want to add that. This is taped on right now, so we're going to remove that. It has 3M sticky tape on the backside, so you can reapply this black piece right here over the chrome center if you want to add that black accent. So in step one, guys, it tells us to remove the shift linkage bolt on the front, which is very easy. We're going to take that bolt out, drop the shift linkage down so we can get to that center bolt. So now what we're going to do from here, guys, is separate the front middle piece from the back, and you can see where it's separated right here. You just kind of pop that forward and that'll come off. There's your Velcro pieces right there on both sides. Now I'm just going to start snaking this into place and being very careful that I don't scratch any of the chrome or my shift linkage or anything like that. And it drops right into place like that, guys. This kit comes with a new cylinder head bolt. It's going to go in the bottom. It's a little bit longer, guys, because of the thickness of the chrome, so it's cool that they put this in here. You are going to want to use some anti-seize. Before doing that, guys, it also comes with this piece of paper that has some directions on it and has a little washer tape to it. So it says basically if you have trouble putting this piece back on, when you put the tab in the bottom and you put it on, it doesn't want to go because it's hitting the fin on the motor, so you put the washer behind it to pull it back out. I know with this one I've already tried it, so I am going to have to put the washer in there, guys. So we'll put the washer behind it, which will actually push this out just a little bit, and it'll allow us to seat this correctly. So we'll just pull it out away from the motor a little bit, make sure the bolt goes through the washer and then back into the cylinder base hole. Just like that, guys. And we want to get this torque back down. We'll make sure the base is seated all the way up against the motor, and we'll get this ran back down. So what we need to do now, guys, is get this torque back down to spec, and that's 15 to 19 foot-pounds. So we've got our torque wrench set to right about 17, 18 pounds. And we're going to get in here and make sure this is into spec. All right, guys, so once we have the center bolt torqued down to spec, we're just simply going to tuck our bottom piece in here and then catch the Velcro on the top and put the center cap on. So that's pretty much it right there, guys. Then we got all of our fingerprints and stuff wiped off of it, and I got a good coat of wax on all of the new chrome to help protect that. And guys, if you have the shock and awe system from CIRO3D, the LED lights, it gives your LED lights another piece of chrome to kind of bounce off of, and that looks amazing. So that's pretty much it right there, guys. Very easy, straightforward install. Once again, very clear instructions on what to do. And once again, that was CIRO's cylinder base cover, and that is part number 70100. Check them out, CIRO3D.com. They've got a ton of stuff on their website, guys. Really big in the LED scene, guys. There's lots and lots of options for LEDs to add to your bike. all kinds of accessories, and of course the chrome accent covers, but also some performance stuff too, which is pretty cool. They got some exhaust and some air cleaners and stuff like that on there. Now, like I said, I'm very happy with the products we got so far. That's 4 pieces now total from CIRO3D that we've actually put on the bike. So this is not something you need to take to a garage to get done, guys. This is something you can do at home with a couple of simple tools. Now, I hope this video helped you guys, and if it did, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Now that I've ordered a few pieces from CIRO3D and I've been completely happy with them, we've ordered a couple more, so stay tuned for those videos. Those will be coming up. But I'm gonna get out of here, guys, and get back to work. Until the next video, as always, be safe, keep your knees in the breeze.